So basically today we have Apple Watch Ultra case. So open it up. This cleaning, it's a good option for your H9 Ultra Max or your real Apple Watch. Let's see it fits or not. I think it's fit, because the reason of that they're always similar, but let's cleaning. Open it up. Let's see. Wipe. Everyone think why I use that for clone, because it is so best. The reason of that, is that let's wipe, and here is the cleaning process is complete. You can see that. Let's go. Good as new. So it's work fine. Cleaning something. Good as new.